Welcome back to my channel, ChanCheCherry. So, I went to Build-A-Bear and got myself a little puppy that I made myself. So, this is a scroll of the description about the little puppy. So, I'm not going to announce his name until the end. After I reveal what he looks like and what outfits I bought him, and after he wears all his outfits. So, better watch till the end if you want to know the little puppy's name. So, he was born in July 17, 2020, which is today because we bought him today. So, his full name is, almost did it. I'm going to announce it afterwards. So, his height is 38 centimeters. His weight is 340 grams. His eye color is brown, and his fur color is gray, and it belongs to me. So, we got a Rocky, but it's not called Rocky. You guys might be saying, hey, if it's a Rocky little bear, it must be called Rocky. It's not Rocky. We just renamed it. So, his little outfits is Paw Patrol, little pajama thing. His ears go in here. And this was supposed to be with the scroll, but we wanted to put on Rocky's nose so it could be like a bow tie. And this is Rocky's little cowboy hat. He has a pole there. So now, time to show what Rocky, aka the name, looks like. He's in this case, this little house. I'm gonna color it. Maybe that will be in another video. Okay, so I'm just gonna box little Rocky, aka name. This looks normal. There's a tag on him. It's a Rocky. There's Rocky on it. So, I'm gonna show you what he has. I made dog noises for his little paw push. I'm gonna bring it closer to the camera. So let's see a little closer to little Rocky. All right, now let's dress him up. We got his little pajamas. This is his Paw Patrol pajamas. It don't have to be pajamas. It could be, like a regular shirt or something. So I'm just gonna try put this on by myself because I don't know how to dress him. Which way is it? I'm just gonna try my best to get him right, get his outfit on right. I'm trying to hurry. Okay, I'm just gonna really quick put on his paws. Oh no, this is the wrong way. This is the wrong way. I'm just gonna cut the video after I'm done wearing it. We're gonna come back. Just the outfit. These things I'm gonna video it. So I got him dressed. Well, my dad did. Because I don't know how to do this. So the only things we didn't do yet is put his tail out. Just gonna bring his tail out with that little pole. There we go. All right, we're making progress of getting his tail out. Okay, we got his tail out. Now we just gotta do this. Just do that. Is it like what thing is that? Tag. So we're not gonna put on the hood. We'll show you the hood afterwards because we have to put on his hat. So let's put on his little hat. Just gotta put these on his ears so he would be able to wear it. If it's not on his ears, it will fall off very, very easily. So we're just gonna put those hairband things around his ears, just like that. And the other side, just like that. I'm gonna do it 2 times because I got told doing it 2 times is better than the 1 time, so it can be more tight. I'm really quick on this, so you don't have to cut the video. Alright, I just have to do this other side, and we are done. This one's stuck. Okay, got it. Okay, I got it on him. Just gotta do that. Yeah. This is his little hat. This is his hat. His cowboy hat. I'm gonna show you how to use the bow tie. It's really easy. Just put it around his nose because you can't put it around his neck. It's too big, his head. And there we go, his bow tie. And now we're gonna take off his hat and put on a hoodie to see what it looks like. Take a picture first. This is pretty cool. Okay, now we're gonna do only the dog. Because I can't announce the names. Okay, we're good. Now we're gonna take off the hat and do the hoodie to see what it looks like. We just gotta do that, and then we can just take it off easily. I don't want to break his ear. Okay, I got his head. Now time to put on his hoodie, his Paw Patrol hoodie. All right, we got it on him, but we have to put his ears full of little holes so he won't feel too uncomfortable. Wait, what? Oh, got one ear. Time for the other ear. Okay, got it. His other ear, and he looks so cute. Look at him. Take a picture. Wait, what happens if I do this? He looks ridiculous. So now we're gonna do only the dog with hoodie. And now only the dog with the hoodie and the cowboy hat. There we go. All right, now we got him all dressed up. I just wanted to try one thing. That, can he fit in my glasses? This is the question. I don't think he can. I think he looks ridiculous with them. Look, he's so cute. He looks so funny. He looks like Teacher Rocky. I mean, yeah, the dog. So now it's time to reveal this little dog. His name reveal is, look at this. His name reveal is Duncan Chan. And you can look at this full thing. So make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below if you like this, and bye. OK， 都盡啲。係啦，使唔使再？夠啦，係嘛？好啦，咁咧俾個願望心心佢喎。好啦，一個俾媽媽，俾媽媽。係啦，呢個俾爸爸。係啦，呢個當然係你嘅。咁我哋一齊玩喎。咁咧拍下先呢個心心。係啦，拍醒佢。啊好。
做得好好啊你，差練係俾啲溫你睇，呢啲好好，我想去醒啦，起身啦 ，good 做得好。跟住我哋 make a wish，你想 Walkie 有啲咩願望想同你實現啊？咁我數1、2、3就 make a wish 好冇？1、2、3。OK 啦，跟住我哋最後嘅 kiss 係俾啲愛心佢。啊，做得好好。咁咧，你係主角咁啊，擺個心心裏邊。啊 ，Walkie 我幫你驗啊，呢個媽媽嗰個 ，thank you。哇，啲最後爸爸嗰個係咪啊？哇，好多個心心喎，係咪啊？姐姐幫你封埋係就得㗎啦，好冇？你要好照顧佢啊！如果你唔照顧佢嘅話咧，佢會走出嚟揾我㗎，知唔知啊？走上嚟山頂揾我㗎，好冇？好，姐姐幫你封埋佢就得啦，係咪啊？咁一陣咧就同佢着衫仔，好冇？你幫佢着，唔好客氣。係啊，叻女。係啦。差唔多成型啦，啱啦，跟住呢度係呢度，係啦。呢度咁啊，係啊。靚仔啲先，係啦。好，最尾條尾喎，條尾邊係伸到呢度喎，呢度條尾伸翻出嚟，呢度。好長啊條尾巴。